Hi guys, good morning. Here is my brother Faitar, and he is my brother Senklin. And now we are going to Amtaring River to catch fish there, fresh river. So now our journey start. We'll go by bite. Here is our bite. Yeah, we'll go by bite today. Keep watching us. And backside, that is our home. Sweet home, sweet home. Okay. Oh man. This is our tree house made by bamboo, and we really enjoy on our way to Amtaring River. Now we are going to catch fish, but our way is really beautiful. This is somewhere in Langklam village, West Karbi Anglong. Hey! Over. Come on, guys! Yes. Oh. Hey, wrong next, wrong. Unune yang po itu nang gilong tak. Now I'm going to catch that crab. This one. This is a crab and fish, okay? This is called crab. Ay, hindi lagi